Okay, so just a really quick video to give you some hints for tonight. This was on the board in class, so these were pretty much done. The only two I didn't finish were this one. I didn't connect the points on this one, so I could do that quickly. If I go up one to A and go up one more to A prime, if I go over one to B, over one more to B prime, down two over one to C, so I'll go down 2 over 1 again to C prime, and then you connect the points, and I have 3 parallel sides that have been dilated. On this one, it was -2, so you went the other direction and twice as far. So A prime went down here, B prime there, C prime there, and then when I connect the dots, I end up with this triangle, which is double the size of this one and reversed. This one here, the 3 lines meet at one particular point. You use a ruler or a straight edge to make sure you're being really neat. So you get the accurate point of 0, 2. That's the center of dilation. And from 0, 2 to A is there, and from 0, 2 to A prime is there, so that clearly looks like a scale factor of 2. There's the first 2 on page 2, or page 14. Just be careful that you're dilating from the right spot and the right amount. So that was from point C and double, and this one was from point D but triple. That's why it got a lot bigger. And you connect the new primes to make the triangles. Okay? So I'll walk you through that. I'll do this one from start to finish, just as a hint. I'm dilating from A and double. So I make my lines from A, really neat. Looks like it's down 3 over 1. From B, down 1 over 3. And I'm going to double it. I'm going to double it, and then I'm going to connect it. And you can see that that's my new triangle there. My old triangle was in the middle. The next one says dilate from E by triple. So I start from E, and I go 1, 2, 3, way up there. And this one's just straight across. 1, another set of 3, 2, another set of 3, 3. So there's F prime, there's D prime, and when I connect them, I have my tripled triangle, which remember is 9 times bigger, but the sides were dilated by 3. Okay. Then I'm going to fast forward down here to the bottom. I did another one because this one was half. So it just brought everything. You draw the lines of dilation the same way, but then you just draw the point halfway. So if it took you up 2 over 2 to get there, you just go up 1 over 1 to get there. Whatever. This one was strange. From here to here was over 7, down 1, both odd numbers, so you have to go over 3.5, down 1/2. That point there was in a strange spot. This one was straight down 3 instead of straight down 6. Okay, so that's how you would do one that would be 1/2. So when you get to this one, you treat it the same way, except only go 1/3 of the way. If you had 9 boxes, only go 3. If you had 6 boxes, only go 2. If you had 3 boxes, only go 1. Just go 1/3 of the way, starting from H. I'm going to jump to the very last page, and I'll do one of these. Again, you just line up C and C prime, A and A prime, B and B prime, and they all meet right there. So that point is -2 up 1. And from that point, it went from that far to that far, which was up 2 over 1 and then up 4 over 2. Definitely a doubling, a scale factor of 2. So just draw the lines through the C's, through the A's, through the B's. Wherever they meet is your center of dilation. and you decide how much bigger or smaller it got. More often than not, it'll be a scale factor of 2, 3, maybe 4, maybe a half, maybe a third, but nothing crazier than that, or it wouldn't really fit on the graph paper. So there's your hints for today, and finish pages 13 through 16 for tonight.